As of February 2025, Harley-Davidson has not officially announced a 2026 Street Glide model. The latest available model is the 2025 Street Glide, which features a liquid-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine delivering 126 ft-lb of torque. This engine is paired with hand-adjustable rear shocks to enhance ride comfort. The 2025 Street Glide also boasts a sleek design with an iconic Batwing fairing, integrated LED lighting, and a range of paint options, including factory custom styles. Modern technological features include a touchscreen infotainment system, providing riders with advanced connectivity and control. While specific details about the 2026 Street Glide are not yet available, Harley-Davidson typically unveils new models in the fall preceding the model year. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to monitor official Harley-Davidson announcements and visit authorized dealerships. For a visual overview of the 2025 Street Glide, you might find the following video informative.